why are we doing this? All right, we made it home.
I know what you're gonna do.
You know what I'm doing? All right, guys, you win. You win. You guys asked in the comments, you told us multiple times. Seatbelt. All right, you guys have told us so many times, get Lincoln a dog, get Lincoln a dog, because he's wanted one for a long time, and I've said no. But the truth is, we've had 2 dogs before. Let me just tell you really quick, before we get into me. There's a fly in here. Get out of here, fly. When Leslie and I first got married, we had a dog, a little Pomeranian, and when Leslie was pregnant with Lincoln, the dog would always bark so much that I had to sleep in the guest room with the dog, and I didn't like sleeping in the guest room with the dog. That wasn't really, I guess it was my dog, but anyway, we found another family for it. So we got rid of the dog right when Lincoln was born. Our second dog was a good dog. I let Lincoln and the kids and Leslie pick out whatever dog they wanted. They got a big black dog that shed everywhere, and it bit one of London's toys, and she got sad, and so we gave it to somebody else. So we've had 2 dogs, and now here we are again, a few years later, and they have been asking for a dog for months. So today's the day. I let Leslie and Lincoln choose which dog they wanted. We have a friend that has a little puppy. It's super cute. I'm gonna go pick up the dog right now. I'm gonna bring you guys along. We're getting a puppy. Oh boy, why are we doing this? Okay, are you guys ready? Are you ready for this? I don't think I'm ready, but this is the dog.
You ready? Say hi.
Does it say anything?
Hi.
Is this a good dog?
Yes, a very good dog.
Why does it have a giant bow on?
Because we thought it would be so cute to put a JoJo bow on her.
Oh no. All right, this is the dog that the kids want. Do I just hold it?
Just hold it, but carefully.
I'm holding it. I got it. I got it.
You got it?
Okay, I think I've got it. Tesla, door open. Okay, all right, thanks. Okay, dog. Yeah, I know. I'm confused too. This is not a good idea. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. Whoa, 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 don't fall. What kind of dog is it? I don't know. We'll have to ask Leslie. But driving is really hard at this, so I'm putting the camera down. All right, we made it home. I told Leslie to come out so she can give it to them. It did pretty good. It's soft.
Oh my goodness. Hi.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
Oh, she's so cute. Oh, what a snuggler.
It hasn't made a noise at all yet.
That's
super
good.
quiet. Okay, you ready? All right, ready?
I know what you're gonna do.
You know what I'm doing? He knows what's happening.
What? How do you know? Wait, what a surprise love to know. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute.
London, Claire, where are you? Come here, I need your help with something. Lincoln has something to show you.
Don't scream.
Here, just sit you down. You can do whatever you want.
Just don't pee or poo in my house.
Yeah, anything but that.
What do you think, London?
It's so cute. Did you just go and get it? You drove
Wait,
that
I just went and
long?
got it. I just went and got it.
What do you guys think? Should we keep her?
Yeah, I think so.
I think we're just gonna try her out for a day.
Can you guys teach it how to be potty trained?
Yeah.
Can you keep it alive and feed it?
I think that we need to work on that. But yeah.
Okay, Lincoln, what kind of dog is this even?
Don't hold her by her neck like that.
Cavapuchon.
What is it?
Cavapuchon.
What does that even mean? I've never even heard of that.
Yeah, I haven't either before this.
What kind of dog is it?
It's a Cavalier Spaniel, a Poodle, and a Bichon Frise, so it's a Cavapuchon.
What's nice about this one? Why do we get this one?
It doesn't shed. It'll get to be 10 to 11 pounds. And they use them for therapy dogs, so they're really like docile and like sweet, but still like fun. And so I think that it'll be fun for Lincoln and for the girls.
All right, what's the dog's name? That's the question. What are we gonna name it?
Tesla.
Tesla?
Yeah.
So it's already been decided?
Yeah, by me.
Are you girls okay with that name?
I think it's super cute.
Okay,
it's so cute.
Tesla it is. After the famous mathematician.
Or the car. Oh, it doesn't like the bow.
Yeah, you get that bow off of there.
it does
No.
like the bow.
No, it hates it.
It hates it.
It does. It loves it.
It hates it.
No, it doesn't.
It hates it.
Look,
Yeah.
you guys didn't see. Let's
No.
It does not like the bow.
You guys want to see where she's gonna sleep?
Where?
You guys didn't even notice. Mommy put some. No, Claire.
You're really
Mommy
like
put something
really
together.
sneaky.
I'm so sneaky.
and awesome. Come here. Let's go. Come here.
That's gonna be her bed. We'll put blankets in it.
That's the bed. Are you gonna let us sleep in your room?
Yes.
London, what's your favorite thing about a dog?
She's so cute.
How are you gonna teach it to be potty trained?
I'm gonna wake up every 2 hours.
2? I thought you said 3.
2 or 3.
2 or 3 hours and do what?
Take it outside.
Whoa.
Huh.
For how long?
Mommy's gonna do it.
I'm gonna do it. Who's gonna pick it up?
London's
though?
doing it. Claire's. Who's doing it?
I really don't know.
We're-
gonna pick
I
up?
feel like we're confused on who's taking it outside every 2 or 3 hours.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Give it more.
Let's go.
Now it's working. First ever walk.
Can I please come?
Come on.
Come on, let's go. Let's
Not
go.
pulling it yet.
Come on, come on, come on.
Come on. Wow, Dad.
There we go.
Don't drop it.
It's running. It's running.
Put it down. Okay, it really doesn't like this.
It's okay. Come on.
First walk. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. Come on, dog. Go, Lincoln, go. Bye. There goes the actual Tesla. It's a lot faster than this Tesla. This Tesla does not like going on walks.
It likes being outside, but just not going on walks. What if we like put it in some sort of bin thing?
A bin thing?
Yeah.
A bin thing that has wheels?
Like
Yeah, go ahead.
skateboard.
Do you have a bin thing that has wheels? Now you got it. It just doesn't like the leash, I guess. All right, day 1 of having a puppy. It's been fun. It's a good dog. It's cute. It's fluffy.
It's so fluffy.
We don't know how to take it on a walk. Lincoln thinks he has a pretty good plan for potty training it tonight. It'll be interesting to see how they do it every 3 hours, getting up, crate training it. We'll see how that goes. But so far, are you happy with your dog?
Yes.
Very, very happy. Hasn't pooped in the house yet or peed, so I'm happy with it so far. That will change, I'm sure, at some point.
You don't even have to clean it up.
I
You
don't?
just have to play with it.
You heard that on camera. I don't have to clean it up. I just have to play with it. Deal, Lincoln. Deal, deal,
Well,
deal.
maybe sometimes.
One.